In previous lecture, we discuss what is equation of equilibrium and what is support reaction. Today, we determine the support reaction for a cantilever beam by using equation of equilibrium. Determine the support reaction for a cantilever beam by using equation of equilibrium. This is the cantilever beam. This is cantilever beam, and we assume P load apply at the free end, and this length is L. For cantilever beam, we previously discussed in cantilever beam here three type of support reaction. One is horizontal force, reaction force at vertical direction, reaction force in horizontal direction, and moment. So here support reaction, these three are the support reaction. Suppose this is the A, B. This one reaction force at A in Y direction. This is the reaction force at A in X direction, and this is moment at A. And what is equation of equilibrium? Equation of equilibrium, we previously discussed about this. Equation of equilibrium summation f of x equals to 0, summation f of y equals to 0, and summation m at any point equals to 0. This three equation known as the equation of equilibrium. We apply this equation in this figure. So free body diagram of this structure of this cantilever beam is this. This one R A Y, this one R A X, this one M A. Apply equation of equilibrium. First one, summation f of x equals to 0 means all the force in x direction, summation of all the force in x direction equals to 0 means Rax equals to 0. There are only one force in x direction, so Rax equals to 0. Second one, summation f of y equals to 0 means summation of all the force in y direction equals to 0. So Ray minus P equals to 0. Ray positive, so P negative. We assume in positive force in direction, positive x direction is positive force, and positive y direction is positive force. So Ray positive y direction, so Ray plus, and P negative y direction, so minus P. Ray minus P equals to 0 implies that Ray equals to P. Third equation, summation m at any point equals to 0. We calculate the moment at point A. So summation m a equals to 0. At point A, there are some moment, so ma, and this is the positive moment. Anticlockwise moment is the positive moment. So in A, at A, ma positive, ma positive. For ray and rax 0, because ray into 0, distance 0, and rax into distance 0, and p into distance l, and p try to rotate in clockwise, sorry, ma clockwise, so minus ma, and p also clockwise, so minus p, equals to p into l equals to 0. Implies that ma plus pl equals to 0. Implies that ma equals to minus pl. So we calculate all the force. ray equals to 0, rax equals to p, and ma equals to minus pl. ma equals to minus pl. তাহলে আমরা কি লিখতে পারি? Free body diagram of this cantilever beam is this. This is the P force and this is the L length. This force this force is P, this force is 0, and this moment is minus PL. Minus PL means in opposite direction. If you written as PL in terms of plus PL, then this one is P0, this is PL. We assume the clockwise is positive. Clockwise is positive, so minus PL means negative, anti-clockwise, so this one PL anti-clockwise.